Yes guys, welcome back to another video. And right here guys, I have some guava. Yeah man. And I'll be using these wonderful guava guys to make a guava jam. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the top part and the bottom part from the guava, and they're already washed. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them in smaller pieces. When you want to cut them in smaller pieces guys, it allows the guava to cook much faster. Okay, these guavas are smelling so sweet guys, and the riper the guava guys, the better. Okay, so here we go guys. Nice. So the riper the guava is better because we will have more pectin. Okay guys, so yes guys, right here is my guava. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in a pot. Okay guys, just like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cover with water. Okay guys, and then I'm just gonna put this on the fire and allow it to boil for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so yes guys, it has been 30 minutes now since my guava has been boiling. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a potato masher to kind of crush the guava somewhat. Okay guys, what this does guys, it allows the guava to pass through the sieve much easier, since I will be using a sieve to strain off the pulp. So yes guys, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and run your guava through a strainer. Okay guys, the only thing you don't want here guys are the seeds. This might take a little bit of time guys, but it is worth it. Okay guys, so yes guys, this is what we want. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in the pot. Okay guys, okay guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on the stove. So yes guys, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add some lemon juice or some lime juice. Okay guys, what this does guys, it increases the pectin in the guava. Okay guys, then from there I'll be going in with some sugar. Okay guys, and I'm just gonna allow this to be dissolved, and we're gonna cook on medium heat for another 30 minutes. So yes guys, my jam is ready. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in my sterilized jar, okay guys? So yes guys, I'm just gonna allow this to cool down and then I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator, okay guys?